So, 12 November, the first trade which I took got SL. The thing was, I marked like previous day highs, previous day lows, and everything right there. The thing was, when I saw previous session, and also I marked previous session highs and lows, I saw previous session low got swept. Then what I did, I just saw this. I didn't consider this as a break of structure. I considered this as break of structure. With that, I waited price to come to this zone of fair value gap. Then I took the trade, um, marking these liquidity nearest liquidity as TP. But price had different plans. It went down and liquidated me. Also took my SL just because I considered this small thing as the break of structure. But always keep in mind, consider 3 minutes or 5 minutes, or even better is 3 minutes. 3 minutes break of structure as the real break of structure, not those 1 minute break of structure. So as per 3 minutes, I could have seen this as the break of structure, not that previous one. So with that, I got liquidated. The thing was patience, lack of patience. I lacked patience and I got liquidated and my SL got hit. That's all.